Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to reset Apple ID password without phone number. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you want to reset your Apple ID password without using your phone number, so let's see how can you do that. You can do this very easily. You just have to simply open your settings app here, tap on your Apple ID here, then select sign in and security. Now from here we just have to select the option of change password. Then verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password, or it must recommend your your iPhone passcode. You must have to enter that, and then you have to enter your new password here. Then retype your new password. Then tap on continue option, and your Apple ID password will be completely changed. So, and you will get the notification on your email or your mail app. So in this way, you can easily reset your Apple ID password without your phone number. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.